Poison was a massive hit for Dennis Brown, Brian and Tony Gold back in 1990. Producer Mikey Bennett is here to give us the backstory behind that song on this week's Fiwi Culture segment.
Poison was a #1 song on all the charts in 1990. Dennis Brown, Brian and Tony Gold. Tell us, how did that come together?
That song is one of the magic moments, you know, well, all the thing there. Brian and Tony brought the song, Poison. And so boy, with the rhythm, and them do the song on the rhythm, it's wicked. So, Dennis Brown came in one day, and I hear the youth, the man say, "It's which bird am that?"
That girl is poison.
One of the men from the group, I think it's Tony Gold, called me and said, "Boss, beg Dennis do the song, you know." So I said, "Come with the man want to do the duet with you." So I said, "Yeah, man, no problem." And Dennis came in and did him thing. And of course, the whole, all of a sudden, now everybody seen hit record. When Dennis Brown left, Brian Gold, them come in and say, "No, boss, we can't use the vocal, we have to go in again." And Brian put on one of the best introductions I've ever heard on any song. In other words, not only was he singing on a song now, he was singing on a song on which Dennis Brown had sing. So it's like him reach now. So him figured out, boy, them can do better. So him went in and them put on a piece of vocal that was at least 25% better than what they had before. Which to me was a big surprise. Dennis came the next day to do another song. I said, "By the way, let me hear about the Poison kind of." When he heard what Brian had gone back in to do, he said, "No, no, sir, Mike, I forgot to defend it." Dennis Brown went back in, boss, and for about an hour and a half, he meticulously transferred the song from a nice song to a hit song. It went to radar and just, I mean, Dennis Brown, but everything was going in favor. Popular R&B song, selectors who didn't get it yet was calling for the record.
She's so fly, she'll drive you right out of your mind, steal your heart.
Would you treat your stepchild differently to your biological child? Let's hear from the public in this week's Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
Because in some case, it could be you. And you don't want nobody to treat you bad. So you have to treat others like you want them to treat you. So basically, that's what it is. So you don't want to have your stepchild with you and you treat them bad and treat your one good. Maybe your child going to be somebody's stepchild and you don't want nobody to treat your child bad.
No, we have to treat them the same way, you know. I don't know when I grew up, I said things, I have to take care of it. Or we have to look for them, take care of it. When it must happen that way, they still know, but we still have to take care of them.
So even though you're a youth, you still have to take care of them.
Because when you love your mother, you still have to love your youth. Yeah.
Your stepchild and your biological child is the same thing. It's just a child. You understand? So you have to show them love the same way.
It's no difference. Except to your own lawful the same way. You grow them in the same culture, having the same customs and culture, and everything. All these conditions should be laid right out. Yeah, it makes no difference of a stepchild to a lawful one. Makes no difference.
Well, I will treat one of the same because most of the time is a step one come and pay attention and help you out in life.
Well, the important thing about it is that, it's the same as how you would treat your child. Like, for instance, say if you go to a supermarket and you buy one item for your child, you buy one for your stepchild too. You know, buy, or most people, what they do is that they treat for them child better and treat their stepchild worse. And then in the long run now, at the same stepchild turn on, that is very important to treat all children equal.
Why Pree?
We're now at the end of this week's episode of Pree This Show. Aiden, how was Olaba?
It was great. We had a really good time.
Excellent, excellent. All right, guys, so I have a little announcement to make. I'll be stepping away from the show for the next few weeks, but don't worry on yourself. Aiden is actually gonna run off things, right?
Well, I have some big shoes to fill, and now that you'll definitely be missed.
All right, my general, let's say a word.
I'll see you guys next week.
Possibly care for our pets. Let's hear. Come again. Yo, Chuck, I come both ways.